Hey, how's it going? So I recently started wearing a wristwatch and it's pretty handy. And I want to do a quick little tutorial today showing you how to set an alarm on this wristwatch. This is a Casio Illuminator and luckily it's water resistant too, so that should be handy today. So anyways, I'll get right into it. So this watch just has 3 different buttons. It has a button that's mode, a button that's 12/24 if you want to switch between 12-hour and 24-hour clock, and a light button on the bottom right there. Okay, so let's say we want to set alarm for, I don't know, 4:30. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the mode button. That brings me into the alarm mode, and as I can see right now, the alarm is active on there. And I'm going to hit the light button at the bottom right there. Now the 3 is flashing, and what did I say, 4:30? Okay, so I hit this once, brings it to 4. Now I hit the light again to select over to the minutes, and I said 4:30. Oh, that's way around the horn. I'll get some scenery while we're doing this long job. Some out of focus scenery, yeah. Okay. There we go, 4:30. So I'm gonna hit the light button again, and now that's set. I'll also show you how to use the signal feature. I find the signal feature pretty handy. Okay, so it's a little hard to see, but there's this little circle at the top left, and right now, the right top corner one that says SIG for signal is not on. You can see alarm's on, it's top left. So what I'm gonna do, go back to the alarm menu, and I'm gonna hit this top left one, the 12/24-hour button. I'm gonna do it once and twice. So now I still have my alarm set, and the SIG, S-I-G, at the top right is now set. And now the watch will beep every hour. Yeah, and that beeping every hour feature is kind of nice because it just kind of helps you keep track of the day a little better. Just hearing a little beep every hour and going, oh yeah, it's 11. Right on. So there you have it. You should have an alarm set on your Casio wristwatch, or even if it's a Timex watch. I'm sure they all work the same. So there you go. Hope to see you up in the morning and ready to go to work.